You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, a lot of people is wondering how to pronounce the name of this font. Well, first off, it's not just a font, it's a sans serif typeface or a neo-grotesque typeface. But how do you say it? Arial. Arial, not Arial. That would be more the name spelled A-R-I-E-L. That's Arial. This one is Arial. Arial font. Yeah, indeed, you got it? Yes, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.